water. Yikes, it's so hot, anak.
Ilay, dito ka.
It's so hot.
When you sit on this chair, your skin will burn.
I
Yes,
know.
standing, yay. Ilay, dito ka.
Not here, not here. This is the view from outside our room. That's the beach. Nice. So it's past 1 o'clock already and we haven't eaten lunch yet. This is the restaurant. This is where they serve breakfast too. And this is where we're gonna have lunch today. What to order for lunch? Let's see. Lots of food in the menu. I saw somewhere that they have good food here, so let's see.
Hello. Where are we? Baler. Costa Pacifica. We're about to go to the hotel to get to our room to change to our swimming clothes because we're gonna go surfing later.
Heading to the beach. What time is it, Eli? 8:37. So we just finished breakfast. Now we're gonna try surfing. So let's go to the beach. We are looking for Rani. Kasi si Rani ang kausap ko. Rani! Ayun siya. The surfing lesson is good for an hour. So we'll do half-half. Pumayag naman sila.
Gagamitin ka pa rin. Bakit ako mo? Bakit ako?
This is our sweet spot. Eli, are you excited?
Yeah, kinda, but I'm a little bit scared too because the waves are very big.
No, it's not. Dion, are you excited? There's the board.
Hi, blue board.
What about you, Daddy?